There's a lot of confusion about trusts and what they are, and some of it, honestly, is intentional. But let me break it down for you, the different types of trusts and when you might need it. My name is Kelly McMahon O'Brien. I'm an estate and tax planning attorney. This is all I do, help people through these types of decisions, help them understand estate planning in basic, simple terms, okay? So, first of all, there are revocable and irrevocable trusts. Revocable means you can change them, you can amend them. Irrevocable means you can't. So typically, a revocable trust is the kind of basic estate planning trust that most people think of. An irrevocable trust, it serves certain functions. For example, asset protection, Medicaid protection, things like estate tax planning, but they don't work for everyone, and they're overkill in a lot of situations, quite honestly. And they need to be used carefully and they need to be understood. And so, in my opinion, a lot of times we use them for certain specific assets, not everything. So, revocable means you can change it, irrevocable means you can't, or there are restrictions on how they're changed. Those are the two sort of basic types there. But then within that, we have living trust, which means is a trust that we create now, and we have testamentary trust. So, a testamentary trust means we create the terms now, but we don't put anything into it until our death. So this might be done in a will, it might be done in a trust. For example, you say, upon my death, my assets go to my children in a trust for him or her until she reaches age 21. We don't put the money in the trust for the child now. Upon our death, the money goes in there. That's a testamentary trust. So there are lots of ins and outs of all of this, but people hear the word trust and they assume it's the same thing. And there are lots of different versions of this. Again, revocable means you can change it. Irrevocable means it's harder to change. A living trust is a trust that we put things into now. It exists now. And a testamentary trust, that means we put assets into it upon our death. So these are the kinds of things I work through. If this is helpful to you, there's a link in my bio to my monthly newsletter where we break these things down for people in simple terms. Check it out.